3-minute workout before bed to slim down your belly. There are so many things to do that it feels impossible to spare some for a quick workout until late in the evening. Luckily, exercising before bedtime can actually torch calories. Moreover, it likely won't affect your sleep too much but may in fact improve it instead. As a result, it can promote further fat loss. So if you're serious about losing those excess fats in your tummy, consider trying this 3-minute workout plan every night just before you hit the sack. We believe you're familiar with one, if not all of them, such as jump squats, but don't worry if not, because we will be detailing how they work. So keep watching. Jump squat. Jumping up from your squat makes your heart work a little harder. As a result, it helps burn calories much faster. In fact, it's even better cardio than running, as it promotes more calorie burning. To start, stand with your legs about shoulder distance apart. Second, hinge at your hips and lower into a squat as if you're sitting. Keep your head up, your chest out, and your shoulders back. With your arms, use it to gain momentum. Then jump as high as you can. Blend firmly back into a squat and repeat, rebounding quickly. Reps: do as many reps as possible for 60 seconds. Rest for 15 seconds. Mountain climbers built to mimic mountain climbing. This exercise is a great calorie burning workout. More importantly, it targets your core to help lose that stubborn belly fat. Get into a push-up position with your shoulders stacked over your wrists. From this position, engage your core as you drive your left knee toward your chest. Then put your left foot back to the initial position as you drive your right knee, this time toward your chest. Continue alternating in quick succession. Reps: do as many reps as possible for 60 seconds. Rest for 15 seconds. Plank: another one of the best calorie burning exercises is the plank. For starters, it engages several muscles at once, thus strengthening your core as far as fat burning is concerned. A plank specifically works to target the unwanted fat in your abdomen area, as well as help tighten your tummy. Start with a plank position. You face down with your forearms and toes on the floor. Keep your elbows directly under your shoulders while your forearms are facing forward. Your head should be looking on the floor. Keep your torso straight and rigid and our body in a straight line up from your ears down to your toes. No sagging or bending. Your shoulders should be down at all times and your heels should be over the balls of your feet. Reps: hold for 20 seconds, rest for 10 seconds. After your workout, let your body cool down and gradually go back to its resting state. You can do this by taking a walk around a bit or doing some stretches. If not, you can also perform deep breathing through your nose. Sounds good? Let us know when you'll start this 3-minute workouts in the comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.